All right, breaking news coming in at this point of time. A fighter jet has crashed in Rajasthan. This is an Indian Air Force jet that has crashed in Churu, raising concerns about aircraft safety, technical maintenance, etc. We'll be getting the details of this crash, what is the condition of the pilot, investigation, etc. But from what we get at this point of time, this breaking piece of information, a fighter jet has crashed in Rajasthan. This Indian Air Force jet has crashed in Churu. Shiv Arur joins us to get us more on this. Shiv, take us through the details.
We're yet to ascertain what precisely has crashed. The information that we have at this time is that an Indian Air Force fighter jet has gone down in the Ratangarh area of Churu in Rajasthan. It is not clear yet what aircraft type it is, but according to the visuals, we can pretty much tell that it is a fighter aircraft that has crashed. Now, remember, Rajasthan has a number of frontline airfields, whether it is in Jodhpur or in Bikaner and in other places. There are many air bases in the area. So where precisely this aircraft took off from, or whether it was from neighboring Madhya Pradesh, is also not known just yet. There is a lot of fighter jet activity that takes place in Rajasthan airspace on a routine basis, whether it is training flights, whether it is combat air patrols in the wake of Operation Sindoor. There are many operational flights that take place as well, but we cannot speculate just yet as to what fighter this was, why it went down. All of that will be available a little later. I've just put in word with the Indian Air Force to get us a confirmation on whether a fighter aircraft of theirs has gone down, from where it has gone down, and any other public information they are able to put out at this point of time. The images on our screen show a wreckage that still seems to be on fire. As with most crashes that you see, villagers have rushed to the site, which means the aircraft went down not very far from a human settlement or a village. There are images of mangled metal on the ground. There are some media reports suggesting possibility of fatalities among the pilots, but there is nothing official, I repeat, nothing official just yet from the Indian Air Force, and we are awaiting an official word.
All right, Shiv Arur, thank you very much for getting us the details. This fighter jet has crashed, and this is what we are reporting. This crash took place near Ratangarh in Churu, Rajasthan. The police they have been dispatched to the scene. These are the visuals that you are getting on your screen of that crash that took place in Churu. We are still waiting for an official word, as Shiv was mentioning, about whether there have been any sort of casualties or not. But let me go back to Shiv Arur. Shiv, are there any sort of eyewitness account, any details about the circumstances? Have we heard anything from the locals so far? All right, we'll try and get Shiv Arur back on air. But these are the visuals that you can see on your screens of that crash that took place in Churu in Rajasthan. This is an Indian Air Force jet that crashed in Churu. This is a fighter jet that has crashed in Rajasthan. This incident took place near Ratangarh in Churu, Rajasthan, specifically near the village of Bhanuda. The police, they have been dispatched to the scene. These are the videos of made by the locals there that have been shared with us, and we are not speculating anything at this moment. We are still waiting an official word from the Indian Air Force and the authorities as to why this incident might have taken place. Is there any sort of casualty? We are still awaiting an official confirmation on all of that. And this is a developing story, and we'll be getting you all those details in just a short while. So this is the big breaking piece of information, breaking news coming in at this point from Rajasthan, specifically from Churu in Rajasthan. An Indian Air Force jet, it has crashed in Churu. This is a fighter jet that has crashed in Rajasthan. This jet has crashed, and this is being reported that this jet crashed near Ratangarh in Churu, Rajasthan, specifically near the village of Bhanuda. The police, they have been dispatched to the scene. These are the videos that we have been getting from the locals. There is no official word on what might have led to this entire incident. Is there any sort of casualty or casualties? We'll wait for an official word from the Indian Air Force as well as the authorities. Meanwhile, any sort of official confirmation on the casualties is still awaited. In fact, Shivarur joins us live to get us more on this. Shiv, what is this? What is this aircraft? What type of fighter jet is this that crashed near Ratangarh?
No information just yet. The Indian Air Force is yet to put out an official statement confirming any of the details regarding this crash. All we can actually confirm right now, including with these first images from the ground showing some mangled pieces of metal and some fire as well, is that a military aircraft of some kind has gone down. Whether it is a fighter or a helicopter is also not known, but it seems to be a fighter jet that has gone down. We will know in a short while from now what precisely it is. I can confirm that the Ministry of Defence or the armed forces, either the Army or the Air Force, have not put out any official details just yet. We are awaiting that. This is in a place called Ratangarh, very close to Churu in Rajasthan. Rajasthan airspace is typically something that, which actually sees a lot of fighter activity because it's a frontier state. It's near the international border. There are many air bases in Rajasthan, Jodhpur, Bikaner, and many others, Jaipur as well, where fighters do operate from. So what fighter type this is, we can't tell just yet. It's difficult to say without a closer look at what this is. But the better thing to do at this point of time would be to wait. Apart from operational flights, a lot of training flight activity also does take place over Rajasthan. There are many fighter squadrons, like I said, which are based in different parts of those squadrons, and they operate quite often in this area. There are MiG-21 squadrons, there are Jaguars, there are other aircraft that operate there. Remember, fighter aircraft, by virtue of traveling very fast, could be from other states as well, Madhya Pradesh and elsewhere. So we don't want to speculate precisely on where this was from or what happened. That can only be the result of a crash investigation. But right now there are prayers as far as casualties are concerned. No information, no confirmed information, I'd rather say, as far as the pilot or pilots in this aircraft pertains to that aspect as well. So we're waiting right now, probably just minutes before we get the first official word from the Indian military.